Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Mazda 3 G25 Evolve sedan, stock reference number 5560. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2019 and is the current shape. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage. Left hand side skirt, left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, right hand boot lid garnish, right front door appears to have no damage, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, sat-nav display screen, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.